I'm covered everywhere in newspaper, and I've hidden all my watercolours because I'm going to use titanium white opaque watercolour paint, and you need a tiny bit of it to get in with your translucent stuff, and it's no longer properly translucent. I've got a little lid thing to mix it in, and I've kept out a brush and a toothbrush for it, and I've got some old practice things from painting classes. Here we are. So I've put a big chunk of it into the lid using a big brush. This is a size 14. Mixing it up so that it is splattery. I'm not sure that's splattery enough, so I'm going to put in a little bit more water. The water also will only be used for this white, and as soon as I'm done, I'll throw that water away so it doesn't contaminate any other translucent stuff. So this might be splattery enough. Let's try it. So with another brush, I'm just going to go splatter, splatter, splatter. So that's quite effective. You have to have the paint at the right consistency, or you'll end up with whacking great big clumps of it. That's not bad. That's not bad. I've added in more water to see what it would be like with a more dilute mix. Finer, looks like finer droplets. It's also more controllable than I expected. But then, oh, I do have white spots all over the rest of the table, which is why I put newspaper down, of course. So yeah, you want to make sure you're totally covered elsewhere, or maybe do it outside if the weather's good. Now I'm going to try it with the toothbrush. Oh, that's quite a lot finer. Oh, quite like that. Quite like that. Sorry about that. That was Jack. That is Jack. I quite like that. It's a lot finer than splattering with a bigger brush. Splattering. Oh, I just felt that land on my face. It's going absolutely everywhere. And we want it to be pretty thick. So I'm going to load up some more and go again. Oh yes. I was going to use the toothbrush, but I'm actually happy with this. And there we have Fox running through falling snow.